What are you doing?
I'm trying or meditation.
You're trying to meditate?
Yeah, like this. Like that.
Say, what do you think about that, Sequoia? Huh? Are you going to learn how to meditate?
Yeah, it's like this now. Close your eyes. Like that.
Oh. Okay.
It's like that.
What
Got it?
I can't see it. Sasheen, why don't you explain to me what you drew right here, okay?
Okay.
What is this?
Meditating.
What is this? Let me look at it first.
That's boxing. And that's running.
Well, what's all this stuff?
That's the anatomy of you.
The anatomy.
Yeah, of you. Or eating, meditating. Or meditating.
And it says,
Meditating.
that's anatomy problem, huh? And this is my problem, Sasheen?
Yeah, it's your problem.
Oh, that's my spine.
Yeah.
What's that red dot?
These red dots are the cracks, like. Oh.
Oh, that's
like
where I
the
hurt.
Nerves.
That's where. Oh, my nerves. Yeah.
Yeah.
The sciatic nerve.
Yeah, the nerves.
Oh.
Circle the one you choose.
Oh.
Alex, which one you choose? Raise your hand if you want to meditate.
Oh. I think it's not well, maybe meditating can help it. But I was thinking stretches. The stretching is better.
Or
So what are you, my doctor now?
no, he's trying to stretch. Stretching. How do you spell stir? Stir. Stretching. Raise your hand if you want meditating.
So
raise your hand if you like running. Raise your hand if you want to do boxing. Raise your hand if you want to do stretches.
Oh.
Raise your hand if you want to do stretches.
Okay, I'll do stretches.
Okay. So we're going to put an X on there. Okay. You did all your good job.
Okay. I'll start stretching now.